When booking a reading, some people have this vision that they will get some information, that will apply them and instantly get the results. Sometimes it manifests in jokingly in that question, can you give me that winning lottery numbers? But if that would be so, if astrology would be a shortcut, it would rob us from the satisfaction, from the hard work, overcoming ourselves, mastering the courage, gaining new experience, and so on. Today is a bit different. We'll be talking about the reading function. What is its purpose and role? And it's not what most people think. I had a consultation today which brought a few thoughts related to this. The first one is about when going to therapy, we are also repeating many things for some time. So it's not that one session which solves everything. We rehash the exact same things from many perspectives until the scale tips. I thought about this referring to that meme when that person is digging for the diamonds and he just quit before the very end. The chart reading has exact that purpose, that show that yes, there is the gold, and because of that person may have a stronger risk tolerance and also the perseverance. They know that eventually they will dig through it. In the reading, we also say that yes, in your chart, there are these combinations, they will not change. And sometimes we need that confirmation that this direction is right, of course, if we interpret them correctly. And this is very good because then the person is not straying from the goal. At least they are within some ballpark, and then they are trying from, maybe today we'll try from this side, and by eliminating these options, by learning, by experiencing, and by gaining the CD, the perfection, we are getting the closer. And as said, after some time, it will collect and we will cross the threshold and the scale will tip. For example, the person from today's consultation, he tried to do many things related to teaching, consulting, doing workshops about the work. And he said that he tried that for some time. And he says that he doesn't see a much result from this. But the definition of the goal, how we set it, is still true. It still applies. Just we need to do more. Maybe the time is not enough. There may be other factors we need to take into account. There is a different target group, there is different type of marketing, different way to present all those things. So also astrology can give us some information about how to get there. But by just getting the information about the path and trying it for some short time, it doesn't guarantee the results. We have to try harder, and that is the good part about having some type of advisor or consultancy or this North Star, is that we are not wasting time on trying other things, but we at least have some range of things which we can expect the results. Also recently I was buying some part for the camera, and he said that his business flopped and he has to sell now everything. So that was really a sad time for him. But I thought also that if you know that this is your goal, if you know that there is the success for you, that it is aligning with your abilities, then it may be just a step back, and then after some time you may still go back to that path. If you know that these things are in your chart, that this is your path, then you have that strong will, then you know, okay, from the short-lasted perspective, we have to go a little bit right, left, right. It seems like going back is like a little bit like a spiral, but still you are going up all the time. So for a long term, you have this vision which can then connect these two dots, and still you can do that leap jump and make a big progress. And by the way, if you like to schedule a reading, now everything is on Calendly. So the choosing the date, the booking, and also filling the form, it's all done there. And then the consultation is as a Zoom reading, 60 or 90 minutes. So yeah, the link is in the description. And because a client sometimes may play the devil advocates, or there may be some subconscious negative emotions like self-sabotage, things like that. So the clients may often counteract. And it's not only in astrology consultation, it's also in the psychotherapy, and even in that medical visit. We often do that to get that reconfirmation. And in that position, it's very important for that consultant, and here we are talking about astrologer, that he prepares beforehand. He sees the rectification. He has all the details, what was in the past, and he also sees what is the current time and to how it is activating the chart. So when such testing is happening from the client side, he stands firmly by his rules, and then he may bounce back, which is exactly how it should be. So the result or the outcome of that process is that the direction of the client is strengthened and he can then go again firmly on the battleground to fight. Then we can say that astrologer here is providing three things. The one is that reconfirmation of that essential path, looking from the macro point of view. Then we can do some nuanced micro testing, so we can see the other strategies, what we can do to attain better results in that macro path, which we repeat. And then the third time is about the timing. How the timing is generally providing the energy for that whole mechanism, for the vahana, for the structure. Is it now the time when we are a little bit going back to then move forward more speed in the few months? Or is it now the time when we should, is it the year which is showing the main career life events? We can see that in that yearly chart, which is called the Titi Pravesh. Or maybe it will be the next year and now is the time to a little bit reflect, zoom out. So in this way, we can see this micro nuances challenges and the timing. And as said, the first step is to reconfirmation in that essence, this macro view. And now the question would be, what is the purpose? What serves us having this vision, which is coming from some advisor? It could be a psychotherapist, or astrologer, or any advisor, financial advisor, marketing advisor, things like that. So then these planetary positions, which is interpreted by the astrologer and which we hold with ourselves, it serves us as some form of avatar. So it's like us in the future. It has nothing to do with some toxic positivity or some manifestation, which seems like I have some dream and that will magically appear. It has nothing to do with that. But when we have those vision of ourselves in a certain position, then it will subconsciously influence magically many those very small micro decisions we have in life. So if we have this vision, this again macro vision of ourselves, it will influence this micro decisions. So if there will be some options to do something, then if that will align with that big picture, we will go there. But if we don't have that North Star, if we don't have that vision of where to go, then also it will impact those thousands of decisions. So I think that will do for today. And if you like to see how we analyze the chart, the example, how we are going through all these yogas and give the interpretation, then here is one example.